Hi, welcome to BMK. My name is Bernhard Bringmann. I took over the company this August. So before that I've been serving as managing director of the machine tool builder Starrag AG, just down the road here in Switzerland. Yeah, BMK, we're a classical machine shop, meaning very lean, very flexible, highly motivated team, I must say. And something's going on really at the moment, so we're investing heavily in robot cells, automation, metrology, new machine tools. We'll keep you updated about our progress on LinkedIn and YouTube, and we're glad if you follow that. But beside classical contract manufacturing, we are offering also production services. So if you have problems with getting into tolerance, with tool breakage, with making money of a certain contract you have, call us and we can see if we can help. Yeah, we're working with partners here where we are very convinced that they bring something extra to the field. Yeah, that is it. We'll keep you updated. We're very thankful if you follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn and so on. And if you need parts or some support for your own manufacturing, then call us or email us, and we're more than happy to help. Thank you and bye-bye.